Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and we're heading into CVS. Today is Sunday, June the 5th. I can't believe it. I got everything that you see pictured here for only $18.70. My total before coupons was $135.99. So all the way from $135.99 down to $18.70. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell to all, so you know when all my deals are coming up. Also, join me on Instagram and Facebook at Praising and Saving. So let's go ahead and get started on some great deals. All right, so the first deal that we're getting today are going to be on these CVS Health diapers. This is the 60 count. These are 75% off. They're usually $16, but we're getting them for less than $4 because if you have the Care Pass, it's also 20% off of that. So I think that's, it's going to be a pretty good deal on these diapers. So that'd be what, 80 cents off these diapers. So I'm getting them for $3.20 instead of $4. And you guys should all have this CVS Care Pass. It is a great thing to have, so pick it up. Yeah, so $4 for these diapers, 20% off is going to make them $3.20. And I'm only seeing size 3 at my store for this clearance deal, but check it out. And I did want to spin around real quick and show you some more clearance things. So they've got a bunch of different medicines that are on clearance. Make sure you scan things, check it, and see if you have any kind of CRTs that are coming off. Now, if things are clearance in the store, you are not allowed to use a manufacturer coupon. It doesn't work. It won't even go through. I got those last week, the 75% off Q-tips. I think I put that in my video for you guys. But yeah, check that out. So really, really great deals on baby products. But of course, we still don't have any formula. Womp womp. Okay, this is an insane moneymaker. I didn't even know this is going to happen. I have been waiting on a good deal for these Nature Bounty sleep jelly beans or energy jelly beans, any of those. Just scan it in your app to see with IBOTTA, just to make sure this is the right ones. But I'm going to be picking up these right here. These are $15.49, but they are buy one, get one 50% off. So essentially, it's like getting them for $11.62 each. So this is what you're going to do. All right, so you're going to pick up 2 of these at $11.62 each. They're buy one, get one 50% off. Like I said, the total for both of them is going to be $23.24. Then you're going to use this $3 coupon that just came out, and you're going to use 2 of these. So this one right here, you're going to use 2 of those. That's $6 in coupons that you're able to use. Now there is a $4 CRT on your app for vitamins. So when you spend $20 on vitamins, you'll get $4 off. Now maybe we might have a glitch, and I have 2 of those, so maybe both of them come off, but we're just going to say one of them at $4. So after coupons and everything and CRTs, your total is going to be $13.24. Then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $14.99, which is a high value IBOTTA item, making this a moneymaker of $1.75. So a really great deal on these sleep jelly beans. Alright, so we're going to do a razor deal. We're going to be picking up 2 of these Gillette razors. I'm going to pick up this one here because it's $15 and it's only $12. And I'm really excited about that. And then I'm also going to come over here and pick up 2 of the Shicks in the Schick deal. Okay, so let's work on this a little bit. We're going to be getting 2 of these and 2 of the Gillettes for about $9. So pretty great deal on these. Alright, so let's go ahead and go back and I'll show you the math. You're going to pick up 2 of these Gillette razors. They are $11.99 each. And your total when you pick up 2 is $23.98. Then we have this $3 coupon that came out in our PNG. We're going to use 2 of those $3 coupons. There's also a $3 coupon on the app. I'm not adding that in my total, but it might glitch and it might come off. If it comes off, I will let you know and update my total. So we're using that $6 worth of coupons, paper coupons. And then we have a $4 when we spend $20 on Gillette products. So that $4 CRT is coming off. And then we have a $4 extra care bucks. That's going to come off as well. So our total for our Gillette razors is going to be $9.98. All right, then we're going to come over here and we're going to pick up these Schick products. And this is going to be kind of a money maker, so we're going to bundle these together. Now I'm going to pick up the Schick Quattro Titanium because they're $13.49. They're the most expensive ones, and they're only $8.99. So we're picking up 2 of those. Now, I've never used an expired coupon at CVS, but everybody says that you can use them for like, so many days. I'm not sure. But I'm going to use this and see if it works. It's a $4 coupon. It expired yesterday. So we're going to try this out and see if it works. But this is the $4 coupon. So we're going to pick up 2 of these Schick Quattro razors at $8.99 each. That's $17.98. Like I said, we're going to use 2 of these $4 coupons. That's $8 in coupons. There is also a $4 off on the app that you could use, and there's also $4 coupons on coupons.com that you can print off. So check those out. Then we have, if you spend $30 on razor products, you get a $6 CRT, so that's included. And then we also have that $5 extra care buck that you see there that's going to come off at the end of the transaction. So that's a moneymaker of $1.02. So if we add the $9.98 and the $1.02 together, the moneymaker, our total is going to be about $9 for 4 packs of very expensive razors. So really great deal on these razors. Capitalize on those CRTs that you have in your app as much as possible. So yeah, $9 for 4 packs of fancy razors. Alright, the next deal we have is a moneymaker on this Colgate mouthwash. I can't believe it. It's a really great deal. So these right now are $4.49. We're going to pick up 2 of these to make it worth our while. So what you're going to do with a Colgate mouthwash, they're $4.49. Picking up 2 is going to be $8.98. We have a $1 coupon on the coupons.com app, so all you have to do is scan that and activate it to get $1 off, and then there's a $1 off on the CVS app. So you're going to use both of those, so no paper coupons needed for this. Then we're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks for buying both of them, so pretty good deal on that. And then we're going to get $2 back from Fetch. So it's a high valued Fetch item. So it can only be done once, but $2 back on Fetch for this, making this a moneymaker of 2 cents. So I definitely take a moneymaker of 2 cents. So check it out. Alright, now we're going to get 3 of these Colgate Totals. This is the deal where if you get 3 of the items is $5 back in extra care bucks. It's another manufacturer coupon on the app deal, so no paper coupons needed for this. And we're also going to total this with a CRT that's on the app on Colgate products with the mouthwash we just picked up. So here we go. Colgate Total is $5.79. We're picking up 3 of those. It's going to be $17.37. We have a $5 off coupon when you buy 3 of the Colgate products, and then there's also a $1 manufacturer coupon. So both of those should come off. If it doesn't, I will let you know at the end. But that's $6 in manufacturer coupons on the app. We have the $5 off $25 worth of Colgate products, so we're getting the toothpaste and the mouthwash, and that's going to give us our threshold, so $5 off CRT. and then we'll get that $5 back off of the extra care bucks for those, making this just $1.37 for 3 packs of toothpaste. So pretty good. So we'll be getting all 3 of these toothpaste plus the mouthwash for about $1.35. So there they are right there. All that for about $1.35. So a pretty good deal on that. Alright, so I did this deal a couple weeks ago, and I'm really loving these Purcell Pro Clean discs. Now, they're usually $9.29, but they're on sale this week for $6.49. My store just doesn't have it marked quite yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this $2 coupon. Now, there's also a $2 coupon on the CVS app that you can use. So that should be fine to use it, but I'm going to use my paper coupons as well. When I use that $2 coupon, my total is going to be $4.49, but IBOTTA has a $1.50 rebate that you can do up to 5 times. So I'm going to maximize my savings and use all 5 of my coupons and 5 of those rebates, and they're going to be just $2.99 each. Now, I think the same deal goes for the liquid. So if you don't like the packs, you can pick up the liquid. So from $9.29 all the way down to $2.99. I think that's a pretty great deal on these Purcell Pro Clean disc. I'm going to pick them up with that coupon and that IBOTTA rebate. So got a pretty good deal on this Garnier Fructis. We're going to be getting these for about 50 cents per container of either shampoo or conditioner. So these are 2 for $7, and you'll get back $2 in extra care bucks. But we're going to pick up 4, and there is a CRT on the app that if we spend $14, we will get $4 off. So let's do the math. So we're going to pick up one of them for $3.50 each. So 4 of those will be $14. And then we're going to use 2 of these $3 coupons. So you're going to use $6 worth of coupons here when you pick up 4. Then there is a $4 CRT when you spend $14 that will come off. And then you'll get back $2 in extra care bucks. Now this is a limit of 1 time. So you won't get back $4. Now if it glitches and we were to get back $4 instead of 2, it will be totally free. But I think we're just going to get back $2 in extra care bucks. So our total after our CRTs, extra care bucks, and our coupons are going to be $2 for all of them, or about 50 cents each. So a pretty great deal on the Garnier. I'm definitely going to pick this up today. There is a CRT for if you spend $25 on shampoo, you get $4 off. But we will see. I may be able to squeeze some more deals in for that. Alright, so I discovered a glitch deal on this L'Oreal Elvive. Now what's going to happen is we have these $3 coupons that we got from coupons.com. They are still available, so go ahead and print them off. So I'm going to pick up 4 of these L'Oreal Elvive shampoos. They're $4.99 each. There is no extra care bucks or special sale on this. But what we're going to do is we're going to pick up 4 of these. We're going to use 2 of these $3 coupons because it's buy 2 get $3 off. So here's the math. Going to buy 4 at $4.99. We're then going to pay $19.96. Now we're going to use 2 of those $3 coupons, and there's also a $3 coupon on the app that's coming off. That's what's glitching. So you have the 2 paper coupons and your manufacturer coupon on the app that's glitching. That's $9 in coupons. Then there are 2 CRTs that are coming off. We have that $4 off shampoo that we just talked about. And then we have a $5 off when you spend $15 on L'Oreal products. So that's a really great CRT. So that's $9 in CRTs. So we have $9 in coupons, $9 in CRTs, taking our total all the way down to $1.96, or about 49 cents per bottle of shampoo. I think this is a great, great deal. Guys, I want to remind you to please use the printable breakdown in the description box. It helps you out a ton. That way you don't have to write any of these deals down. You're able to either print it off, take it to the store, or you can just pull it up on your mobile device and see everything that you need to get. So my total before coupons, and there's taxes of course, was $150. But I ended up spending with my all my deals and IBOTTA and everything about $18.70. So guys, this was a great, great deal today. I really enjoyed it. Make sure that you check out your stores for those diapers, because that is a great deal on the diapers.